In today's video, we are going to cover how to use Gusto for international employees. Start by signing in to your Gusto account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click People. This opens the area where you manage workers already in the system and add new ones. From there, click Add Person to begin creating a profile for the international worker. The next screen will ask you to choose a worker type. Select the option that matches how this person will be hired, such as employee or contractor. This choice matters because it affects the details Gusto will request during setup and the onboarding flow the worker receives. Make sure you select the correct worker type before moving forward, especially if your company handles employees and contractors differently. After that, choose the worker's country from the list provided. This tells Gusto where the person is based and helps align the setup with the correct location. Once the country is selected, enter the worker's personal information in the fields shown. This includes their name and email address. Use the email address the worker will actually access, since that is where Gusto will send the invitation to continue onboarding. With the personal details entered, move on to the employment section. Here you will complete the information related to the role and work arrangement, fill in the work location, then add the job title. After that, enter the compensation details based on how the worker will be paid. Depending on the worker type and country, you may also see additional required fields. Complete any information Gusto asks for before continuing so the profile is set up correctly. Once everything is filled in, take a moment to review the information on the screen. Check the worker type, country, personal details, and employment information for accuracy. This is the best point to catch anything that was entered incorrectly before the invitation is sent. When everything looks right, click Add or Save and Continue, depending on the button shown in your account. That final action creates the worker record and starts the invitation process. Gusto will send the worker an email so they can complete their onboarding. Through that invitation, they can provide any required tax details and payment information directly in the platform. If you do not see the exact same button labels, follow the on-screen option that saves the worker and moves the setup forward. This process gives you a structured way to add international employees or contractors in Gusto while keeping their information and onboarding steps in one place. Your international worker has now been added in Gusto and invited to complete onboarding.